Now we have our old dataset, or none, and a starting date. Let's get back to our loop. The loop would add 1 week after another to the old dataset. If our old dataset is week 31st in year 2017, then it would add the 32nd, 33rd, and 34th week, and so on up to today, and then upload it back to the Google spreadsheet. Let's start writing. First, we initialize the start date and then we are implementing an if-else statement, where we use previous data in the if and no previous data in the else statement. Let's have a look at the if statement first. There we initiate a while loop that checks if the start date plus 6 days is lower than today. If yes, the while loop will run. The first step in the while loop is to extract new data from Google Analytics using our getNoSegmentationReport and getSegmentationReport functions. Both are initialized with the analytics connection and with the start date in string format, transformed with the strftime method, and then saved in the extracted data noseg and extracted data seg variables. These two variables are then being cleaned with our clean extracted data totals function and appended together. Then we add another week to the start date for the next while loop. We also add the newly extracted and transformed data together in a merge with the previous data. Now the while loop will keep running doing this until the condition is not met anymore, and then it will return a pandas data frame with the old and new data. For the else statement, we can copy large parts of the if statement, copy-paste the extraction and transformation part, and also add another week to the starting date. Now we have a data column, so we could also call it a previous dataset. Hence we can just run the while loop from the if statement to add more weeks of total data. Run the cell to see if there is any error.